Welcome everybody. Well, we have had quite a bit of cloud cover and some showers moving through the area. Some of those have been pushing off just to the east, and they've also had them over Jackson Hole. We also have quite a bit of snow melt that's been taking place with all those warm temperatures, but now things are starting to cool off. In fact, we'll have a little rain snow mix at the very highest elevation, well above 9,500 feet, probably closer to 10,000. And looking at here at the base, yeah, we got a few showers out there as well. You can see some of the wet pavement versus the dry pavement right there. So we're dealing with an upper low, a couple of them. So we've got a swirl here right off the coast. So this is going to keep showers in the forecast most of this week. But right now and into our Tuesday, we're dealing with this upper low that is sending some moisture. This is actually picking up remnants of a tropical storm, which is Tropical Storm Alvin in the East Pacific. And so in other words, it has a little extra moisture with it, and it's sending it up right over a frontal boundary. And it's draped just off to our west, right about there. And so things have cooled down already today for us. Still the warm sector down across the southern part of the state. So here we are, and down across the southern part of the state, there's some of those showers from earlier today. So storms possible overnight tonight, technically. And we'll have wet and kind of a cooler theme for Tuesday, Wednesday. And then we'll start warming up. So technically the warm up, I guess, begins Wednesday for us. But overall, we'll see things much warmer by Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And again, still a chance of an isolated storm out here. So we're watching the surface map. And we have that, again, low heading down to the south. This is now into Tuesday. Still some of that rain. So zooming on in, and we still have some high elevation mixed precipitation in the blues and the pinks. Now here we are into Thursday. Still a chance of a few showers for us Friday. And then going into Saturday, high pressure starts to build in, and that's where we'll start to see things kind of taper off. So zooming in, this is a little bit better look at the forecast model. Here we are into Tuesday, and real spotty showers. Get some rain in here, maybe around the evening. And into our Wednesday morning time frame. Rainfall amounts on the computer models, this one model that is, coming in around 1/4 of an inch for a lot of areas, maybe 3/10 to 4/10 of an inch. Torrington could be up to around 8/10 of an inch. And this is over the next 5 days according to the Weather Prediction Center. So again, it's indicating about 1/4 of an inch for us, maybe a little bit less in this lighter shaded green, and then a 1/2 an inch to an inch in the blues, the lighter shaded blue. So low temperatures out the door will be around 44. The average high is 75. We're going to be around 60, 64 Wednesday, starting to warm up here. We're up to 68 Thursday, and now closer to average Friday, above average Saturday, Sunday.